This is going to be a shaking cocktail, so in a shaker place 4 fresh grapes, muddle them until they completely crushed, and don't worry about seeds right now. Now let's add one of the most famous bittersweet spirits, Campari. The same amount of any citrus vodka, just try to stay away from cheap brands like that one. Half an ounce of the simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We need to have a nice rich foam on top of the drink, so let's add a tiny amount of the cocktail foamer. Fill up the shaker with fresh ice, combine both parts, and show how happy you are to make this delicious cocktail. Yeah, don't forget that smile contributes to at least 29% to cocktail taste. We're going to serve inside a frozen rose, of course. Strain everything using a fine strainer. We don't want any pieces of grapes or ice to get inside and ruin the experience. This glass adds such an appealing look to this well-balanced bittersweet citrusy cocktail. They cost only $2.37 and delivery to Las Vegas another $6. Well, still affordable for such a cool glass. If you need to order one for your home bar collection, I will leave a link in the description. For the next one, let's use a shaker that just perfect for today's occasion. Using this lovely measuring cup, let's add 2 ounces of silver tequila. Next is the most popular passion fruit liqueur in the world, Passoa. If you haven't tried it before, it's bright pinky red, lightly syrupy liqueur that has a taste of passion fruit, citrus with a hint of grapefruit and cherry. Okay, next a little bit of the simple syrup. This is probably the first cocktail on the channel where we need to use 3 different juices. Well, if you remember another one, please remind me in the comments. My old juicer is still alive, I will use it. Okay, add 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice, 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice, and the same amount of fresh lime juice. Combine it all in the shaker, fill it up with fresh ice, and shake it with a smile like you're about to give a huge bouquet of roses to your favorite person on a special day. I'm going to serve this in the glass that's designed to fit perfectly in women's hands. If you want to learn more about interesting glassware for cocktails, I just reviewed 3 different types of cool cocktail glasses on my vlog channel. You can click here to watch it. Let's start our next cocktail by preparing a serving glass first. I will be using a coupe, but martini glass will work too. Let's make a special presentation for this cocktail. We need to cover the entire outside part with sugar powder. I will use spray with orange liqueur, but you can use pretty much any liquid. It's just powder sticks better when you use something sticky like sugar. Sprinkle powder on top and make sure that sprayed part is completely covered. Let's put it in the freezer for a little bit. In the shaker, place 10 fresh raspberries and no need to muddle them, we will just shake them pretty hard. Add 1.5 ounces of vodka, 3/4 of peach liqueur. Next is vanilla syrup. Squeeze 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Well, when life gives you lemons, they trying to escape. Squeeze 3/4 of an ounce and add it into the shaker. Fill up the shaker with ice, and since we have fresh berries inside, shake it extra hard. Get the glass from the freezer, and what women love to be surprised with? Yep, flowers. To make it extra special, I would recommend getting an ice mold from the Etsy website for about $5, so you can easily make this type of ice anytime. Strain everything from the shaker, and now this cocktail with unique taste has a pretty impressive look that would be perfect for Women's Day, Valentine's Day, or whenever you want to make something special for her.